have traffic, so we should get there quicker than we would if we went early. That's one good thing.
Can I go and just stay in this?
Just watch the bike. Stop.
Can I just go in this lane?
No!
Mom,
Oh my God! Go!
I'm sorry, I was in the way of...
Alright, just keep going. Oh my God. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh. Just wait for the bike. Oh my God.
Mom, I was in...
Just get over it. Put your indicator on and go around him, darling. Oh my God.
I'm sorry, I was in his lane anyway.
It's alright, darling. It's alright.
Serious?
It's okay. Don't. It's alright.
I was in his way.
Sweetheart, don't talk about it anymore, please, okay? You have to give... No, I'm not. I just had a heart attack, that's all. You have to give way to push bike riders as well, okay? So when there's a push bike rider, you just got to stay, and you shouldn't have poked out.
Yeah, because I said, can I go in that lane? And you didn't answer me.
Just use your own judgment in future and don't ask me, alright? Please.
Well, Claire, I don't know what lane I'm meant to be in. I can't just not ask you because then I won't know where we're going.
When you come out of the end of the street, you're supposed to stay right over there until it's free, and then you go over. But you were poking out a little bit. The bike put us off. Just forget about it, okay? Let's look forward, please.
I was just asking if I was meant to go in that lane. You didn't answer me, and I was half in that lane, so I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, that's good. That's how you learn.
Well, that's good. That's great. Really.
Let's not argue now, please, Ella, okay?
A bit hard because you're angry at me, so...
I'm not. I'm just very shaken up by that, what just happened there. It was scary. I thought that car was going to smash into us, okay? Right. Now, can we get over it? Come on. That's all right. Come on, put it behind us and let's go. Move forward. Let's do it. Let's do a Julia Gillard and move forward.